Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super delicious Ghanaian maize porridge. In order to make this porridge, you need to make a dough, and it's the same dough you can use to make kenke or benku. So all you need for the dough is white maize flour and water. Put the maize flour in a bowl and add water which is at room temperature. The amount of water you use might not always be exactly the same because it depends on many different factors such as the flour you're using and the climate you're in. But basically what I'm trying to say is that the consistency is much more important than the exact measurement. But I'll put the measurements I used in the description box so that you can use it as a guideline. I gradually add the water to avoid adding too much, and you want to make sure to mix it very well. And when you're done, the mixture should be jiggly when you shake it. When you hold it like I'm doing here, it shouldn't be runny, so it should basically hold its form. So now you can cover the bowl or container with its lid. You can also use a kitchen towel or saran wrap. So we are going to let this ferment for 2, 3, maybe 4 days if it's very cold where you are. Put it in a warm place and check on it every day. As it ferments, you will see these bubbles forming. And while it is fermenting, you do not need to do anything with it. Just let it sit and do its work. To make the porridge, take some of the dough and add water and cook it over medium heat. Because it tends to form lumps quite quickly, you want to continuously stir it. As you continue to cook, it will thicken up, and you can add more water depending on how thick or how thin you want your porridge to be. So after about 10 minutes, this was the result. You can add some sugar and evaporated milk. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.